Hi everyone, warm welcome from Kaizen Tools Corporation, Bangalore, India. We are glad to invite you to the virtual show of demo on hydraulic tool holders. Our hydraulic tool holders division 2, hydraulic or hydro grip tool holders. They are we manufacture all types of tapers and also all forms and all sizes as a standard. And we also manufacture some for specialized applications, specialized design tool holders. So you must to see. So the hydraulic tool holder, for example, you may wish to consider as a cutter and the actuation process. Now I'll show the demo on the actuation. It is now clamping. So the clamping work should not take more than few seconds. So it is held very firmly and it is manufactured within 2 microns to 3 micron accuracy, and hence the spindle is self-centralized. The tool holder spindle is taper is self-centralized to your VMC or HMC machine and to give the same accuracy on the cutter. So now it is declamping. It should not take more than few seconds, just few turns. So hydraulic tool holders. This is another type of hydraulic tool holder for different applications, different types of noses and different types of tapers, and also special applications, special requirements. And the specialty is our hydro grip tool holders are capable of performing all drilling, reaming, and also very high depth of cut can be achieved in milling operations. And this is the specialty of our hydro grip tool holders, which we can compete with any world-class tool holders. And the supremacy of our hydro grip tool holders are even the tough jobs, that is high depth of cut milling operations, can be carried out, and which is the specialty of our hydro grip tool holders, wherein they are for high torque applications and high torque operations can be carried out. And we wish to share that good news to you. So because there are certain types of hydro grip tool holders and which can only be used for very axial load applications. You may not be able to carry out radial applications, radial operations. So like, deep milling and also any kind of milling activities. Whereas our tool holders, you can carry out both axial load as well as radial load operations like drilling and reaming, and also heavy milling operations can be performed comfortably with the same accuracies. So inquiries, we solicit inquiries, and thank you for watching.